Welcome back to another travel vlog with us. This time around we are playing tourist mode in Sentosa. It's been a while since our last staycation, so we're really excited for this trip. Time for the room tour. We got the deluxe room, which is pretty spacious, a nice king bed with a comfy sofa on the side. There's a table to put your bags and accessories, with an accompanying minibar, and everything inside is complimentary. Let's take a look at what we have here. Some bottles of atas water, 2 bottles of mango juice and coconut water, perfect for our picnic later. Sadly, the balcony is locked up due to some ongoing construction work outside, so we'll skip that and move on to the most important part, the toilet. Toilet is nice and clean. We really like the dual basin concept. The toiletries here are all by Postcard. That's a local brand from Singapore. The only peeve we have here is that there's no bidet, which is surprising for a 5-star hotel. Anyways, we'll enjoy the room for a while before heading out.
Wow, so big eh?
Heading out to explore the island, Sentosa is well connected by footpath. You also get to see more of what the island has to offer by walking around. We are here at our first tourist experience, the Skyline Luge. Tickets range from $38 to $44. There are 4 different tracks to try, so it makes sense to just get a 4 rides package. This is a family-friendly activity, no driving license required. The staff will walk you through how to operate the luge. It's a simple push-to-go, pull-to-brake system. This is really fun activity for all ages. And you feel like you're playing real-life Mario Kart overtaking others. Just make sure you don't throw any bananas at them. Some routes also include S-curves for those of you who like to live out your Tokyo Drift fantasies. At the end of each route, you can take the sky lift that will bring you back to the top. We were here at about 5 to 6 PM, but the timing was perfect to catch the evening sky without the heat. Just be careful not to drop anything down. Overall, this is a must try and definitely worth getting the 4 rides package. After all the fun and thrill, we're starting to get hungry. For dinner, we'll be taking bus B to head over to the east side of the island. The shuttle buses within the island are all free to take, so hop on to them if you want to give your legs a break. Food in Sentosa is known to be expensive, but this place is definitely worth the price tag. They have a $59 dinner buffet. Before jumping at the price, just look at what we got in exchange. For starters, we got premium fish maw soup, a whole fried fish, prawns in XO soup, and 1 abalone each. I even had an entire Singapore chili crab to myself. We had a total of 13 dishes for 2 of us. We were surprised we even managed to finish almost everything. Their staff are also super friendly, so do definitely check this place out when you're in Sentosa.
This train is bound for Vigo City Station.
Come, special water. Got extra flavor, right? Tastes like money. Huh?
We have 1, 2, 3, 4.
Please place items in bagging areas.
Next stop, we'll be visiting the S.E.A Aquarium. For Singaporeans, buy your tickets online as there's some ongoing SG60 promotion. We got our tickets for $60 for the both of us. The moment you enter, you'll be greeted with a crowd stuck at the entrance tunnel, but once we stepped in, we immediately understood why. Once you got over the initial awe, do remember to continue moving and stop blocking the tunnel. There's plenty more to see inside.
Look at that fish.
The final highlight is this iconic aquarium. You can find a spot to rest here and be mesmerized by the view. Alright, back to land. Our next stop is the magical world of Harry Potter. Not sure if this was intentional, but even before entering, the walkway there felt like we were walking through the Hogwarts castle. Visions of Magic is an interactive art exhibition where we are each given a wand to interact with the different elements. There are a total of 10 zones to explore. This experience felt like a trip down memory lane. Alright, back to reality. We lost track of time and completely forgot about lunch. So we went to grab our food and headed to the beach for our picnic. As the sun starts to set, we headed over to KidZania. Did you know that there's free movie screening every week in Sentosa?
You stare at him.
Today's movie is the original 1993 Jurassic Park.
That's when you
Come early if you want to get the lawn chairs. After the show, we took a night stroll back through the SensoryScape. It comes to life at night with interactive light projections. And there's even an AR component if you download the app. And that's it for today. You know you're on full-on tourist mode when your daily step counts are above 20k. That's it for this staycation. We chilled the morning away before checking out.